subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has finally launched its new flagship smartphone under Find X series globally called Oppo Find X3 Pro with a unique camera module. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Find X3 Pro features a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO AMOLED curved display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+ and it has a large 92.7% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Oppo Find X3 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor plus another 50MP ultra-wide angle lens with 110.3° field of view plus 13MP telephoto lens with 5x hybrid optical zoom support and a 3MP macro lens with f3.0 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it also supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has an 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts wired, 30 watts wireless and 10 watts reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 74 by 8.26 mm and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Find X3 Pro has been priced in the Western Europe market at 1,149 euros and it is set to go on sale starting from March 30 in glossy black and blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Find X3 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.